This is a text platform informing the nation on text matters. Good morning. Today we are going to talk about taxation of not-for-profit organization. Generally, there is a misconception that not-for-profit organizations, NGOs, are not supposed to register for tax and they are exempt from tax. But today we want to go in depth in understanding what really happens in relation to taxation of not-for-profit organization. So as soon as you've registered a non-governmental organization and it commences its operation, you need to register it for income tax. And non-governmental organizations or NGOs will have different streams of income. So some may be driven by members, whether membership dues or subscriptions. There may be donations. There may be a business income or investment income. So in relation to the donations and other non-business income, it's exempt, straightforward exemption. But if there is business income and investment income, that income is taxable, but it can be exempt on application to the Commissioner General. So if you apply for it to be exempt, you need to state what you are going to use it on. Like if you are going to maybe if you are a church, construct a church building, you need to state that, and you need to show plans that these are the approved plans, or you've submitted a plan to the city council or local council for approval, things like that. Or if there are initiatives that you are driving in the society, you need to show that there is something that you have planned that is going to benefit the community, or that the funds are going to be used towards the object of the NGO that you are running, whatever the type that it is. Yes. But yes, generally everything else will be exempt. So if you have not applied, that means, and then you have some business income that is left for investment income, it will be taxable at the rate of 22%, just like any other business will be taxable at such rate. So you need to ensure that you apply for that income to be exempt, and the application should be within a month from the end of your financial year. So if your financial year ends in June, before the end of July, you should have applied for that exemption and be given approval. Failing which, if you don't meet the deadline, the business income or the investment income will be taxable, and you will have to pay income tax for it. So if you are running a business as that NGO, and then your business income is over 1 million, you need to register for VAT and submit VAT returns. So you'll submit bi-monthly, and if the business has grown, you will reach 12 million, and then you submit monthly. And then if you have employees, you need to deduct pay from them and pay it monthly. If you're paying rent, you need to deduct other withholding tax, just like any other business. Yeah, so important for you to know these facts, that you are not just going to register for you to get a tax clearance, but after registering, you need to submit returns, you need to prepare financial statements, and then get these submitted to the Unified Revenue Services. For further information, you can always reach out to us at the Tax Platform, because we have a book on taxation of not-for-profit organization. Hope that's what's insightful. Continue to listen to the podcast. Remember, we are available across all your favorite podcast platforms: Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, Facebook, and all other platforms that you can listen and podcast on. Good day and enjoy the rest of the day.